What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. It is actually August 2nd already. We stayed a little extra late night. It's 12:36 a.m. Pacific, so 3:36 a.m. East Coast time. We just filled up a little break of 2018 Hit Parade Autograph officially licensed hockey jersey hobby box Series 1 or McDavid 1-box break, 2 random teams, number 7. This is a PREKEB promo spot. So everybody in this break is going to get themselves a promo spot in the new promo we have going on. Dude, sold it out. Bought all spots. So this is a personal for him. And it is box 96 of 100. We're giving away one of these jersey boxes in our little promotion. So give it a shot. Good luck, man. Okay. You guys are straight up going at it still. Alright. Good luck, man. Nick Foligno, Columbus Blue Jackets jersey. Nice. Nice, one of the newer jerseys too, one of the Fanatic ones. The new Adidas ones. I don't want to unfold it because it's a really nice one. Really nice folded, but there you go. There's the COA, and there's the jersey. Yeah, well, I don't know if it's the Adidas ones, because you know how they have the lower version too? Foligno's, it's like the Adidas Fanatic ones, where it's like a little bit lower priced than the Adidas. You know what I mean? It's a really nice jersey though. It's basically like Adidas. You know what I mean? You know how they have like the third one and then the Adidas and that? This is one of the, well, I mean, I guess I'll just show it out. Might as well. Right here. Yeah. There it is right there. Heavy too. So there you go, man. Yes, but actually like a replica, yeah. So there you go. But there are Adidas jerseys, but yes, this is like the replica. Alright, man, there you go. That was the break. We're out of stock on these, so I'll try to get some more back, probably get some more Hit Parade back. So, Kings Elite Breaks. See you guys.